Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our try on haul from the thrift. So I will show you guys the items that I bought yesterday, and it's so nice because I finally found the one of the thrift store. There's a lot of stuff there, and then I got uh, many items. This one. So one is this is backdrop. This one, yeah. So this one is uh, backdrop. So you can wear like this one, and done shower, if you done shower and then you use this one, yeah, it's so nice. So and the next is um, uh, another one, color brown. So this same style. This is from the thrift. So I really like this. Yeah. It's so nice. Look, very nice. So I like the clothes because the clothes is um what do you call it is smooth. Yeah, and the stylist is good. So so nice. And the next one is the underwear. So of course we have underwear here, and this one. So it's look so nice underwear. Yeah, very nice. And another one is this one. So it's nice also. Look at the back. And the next is this one. So it's so nice. Yes. And the last is jumpsuit. So I really like also this one, guys. So let's try on haul. Just hold on, everyone. Charan. So so nice, so nice. Wait, how to wear this one? Okay, I got it. I forgot to wear. Okay, 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 I got it. Hold on, everyone. Just hold on. Okay, I got it. Charan. So nice. This is a jumpsuit. Yeah. Wow, it's very nice. Wow, amazing, guys. Look, look at the back. Oh, it's amazing. So it's garterized. Look, and there's a list here. Wow, wow, it's amazing style. Look, wow, So nice. Very nice. Wow, it's so nice. Very nice. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. So if you are new here to my YouTube channel, if you want more, just comment down below. And if you want more, try on haul, guys. So thank you everyone for watching.